Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1, and the next one is 2, and now we draw 3. The next one is 4, and now we draw 5. The next one is 6. The next one is 7. Kids, now we draw 8, and the next one is 9. Now we draw 10. The next one is 11, and now we draw 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw 14. The next one is 15, and now we draw the number of 16. The next one is 17. Kids, now we draw 18, and the next one is 19. Now we draw 20, and the next one is 21. Now we draw the number of 22. The next one is 23. Now we draw 24. The next one is 25. Kids, now we draw 26. And the next one is 27. Now we draw 28. And the next one is 29, and the last one is 30. Today we draw numbers 1 to 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.